What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do something that I don't necessarily need right now, but I actually it would be really nice to have it in certain circumstances. So today we're gonna put the parachute on the Impala. And I probably won't have it done today or anything like that. I'm just going to take it apart, try to get everything apart, see what all I need, what materials I need to get that fitted on here. Now, I don't really need the parachute right now, but it's better to have it than not have it. And I do plan on going a little bit faster with this year, so you can never be too safe. So let's get to tearing it apart. Alright, we got the bumper off. Now, take the rest of this foam out, an actual bumper itself. And as you guys can see, a little bit of rust here. That's because this car was wrecked. And I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but new body panels were welded on. Looks like they didn't get enough paint on there when they did it. Happened, I don't know, way before I got it, so who knows what happened. But we'll get the rest of this torn off and I'll get back with you. Well, can't be stuck if it's liquid. Goes. This thing, these bolts were rusty. They did not want to come out. But now I need to measure from here to those two over there, so I can go buy a piece of pipe so I can make the parachute mount. Measured the mount on this, on the inside of the bumper on this car, and it's not going to work, so I'm just going to use this mount and unbolt right behind the bumper, and I'll make me a new one for this one. Well, I got some stuff ground down, cleaned it up a little bit, get all the rust off of it so I can paint it, so hopefully it keeps it from rusting. Got all that down there. I'll get it all cleaned off, primed, and then painted. Alright, now we got it all stripped down. Got a little primer on there. Alright guys, it's been about a week now since I've last filmed. I was waiting on this piece of pipe here, and I had to run to town and get a piece of flat stock to make my mounts. Plus it's been cold and really haven't felt like doing anything. Work third shift, get tired. So it's a nice day out. Figured come out to the shop and make some mounts, get this parachute mounted. I got the plates cut out. I need to hole saw a hole in them. Well, I got 4 plates, and actually the easiest way to do that is clamp them together, throw a couple tacks on them, and then we'll drill just the drill bit through all 4, and then we'll take them apart and hole saw each one individually. That way you get every single plate so all the holes will line up. Alright guys, this is the next day here. I spent forever trying to drill these holes out last night, and I just got tired and went inside and went to bed. So we're going to take these plates apart, deburr them, get them all ready to weld on. Alright, we got all our plates made up. I went and cut an angle on them, kind of clean them up a little bit. And these plates are going to mount just like this. This will mount straight to the back here. Then we'll have our tube run along the back here so we can mount the parachute. So I want to get some holes drilled and I'll be back. Alright, I got the holes drilled. Now it's time to mount the plates on. Alright, now got our plates mounted. So now we can take these plates and they're going to mount just like this, 2 on each one on both sides. Now I just need a measure to cut that piece of pipe. Well, got the parachute mount just sitting up here. Yeah, the plates ain't straight. I'm just gonna have to hold them up and tack them. Got it tacked on there. Now, you put the bumper cover on, make sure everything's going to line up the way I want it to line up. And then after that's done, you can weld it solid. Alright, got the bumper back off. It's a little lower than I wanted it to, but it'll work just fine. So, we're going to center everything up, get it welded up, and then we need to make our tube that comes straight out so we can slide the parachute right in there. It'll look just like this. Got a hole. got the pipe, piece of tubing tacked on the back where it comes out of the bumper. I marked my hole, got my hole saw. So, cringe while doing this, but oh well. Alright, got the hole drilled. I checked to see if it fits. Now, just final weld that, then drill a hole in the side here, paint it, and we're about done. Alright, got it off, or I guess I don't know where I left off. We got the hole drilled, got it painted, it's drying. So now it's time to put it back on, even though I should wait till the paint dries, but I just can't wait to get it on. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, there it is. An Impala with a parachute. Never thought you'd ever see that. But it just happened. So, I still gotta run the cable and everything like that, but I got to do another video in order to get that cable and everything installed, which you guys will understand here, and it's probably in the next video. So, okay guys, like, subscribe if you want to see more of this. A lot more is coming. The car's about to get a whole lot faster.